So this morning we left the cruise and got to the Barcelona airport hotel. From the airport hotel, we went back to the we took the free shuttle back to the airport, and when we got to the airport, my mom realized that she forgot her phone. So we had to go all the way back to the hotel, get the phone, and then when we were in the shuttle to come back to the airport, we forgot the other phone, so we had to go back and get that. And then after coming back to the airport, we had to go find the Aerobus to take us to the plaza in the city of Barcelona. So here we are right now, wasting about 1.5 to 2 hours of finding and forgetting phones. So let's go around Barcelona and enjoy the day of what we have left. Let's go. Since the last time I checked in with you guys, we ate some paella, left, and then it started raining hard. We went to the cathedral, then we tried to walk back, and now we're trying to find some stores that we can hide in from this rain. But we don't want to go back to the hotel yet, because what a waste of a day in Barcelona, right? So after going around and doing a little bit of shopping, the weather outside is gorgeous again. So it is a beautiful shopping. It is a beautiful day to go shopping and walking around Barcelona once more. Let's continue shopping.
No, Cameron, we're not doing that.
Let's continue shopping. So right now we're going to head back to our hotel. We are in the Plaza Catalunda, and just look at this disgusting birds. Like this is literally disgusting. Like I hate birds. They are everywhere. There are diseases everywhere. Just look at this. This is disgusting. This is disgusting. We're gonna go back to our hotel, our suite, because this is way much better than this.
Record Kevin, let him see his impact.
Update to the last video where I said we were gonna head back to the hotel. We actually walked back to Platitos, where we got the paella the first time, to get more, because it's pretty good. So we are actually going to go home to the hotel this time. So I'll show you guys the hotel once we get there. Let's go. So the last time I checked in with you guys, we were at the plaza and now it is the next morning where we're about to take our go to the airport to leave to Madrid and spend the whole day in Madrid there. So my phone kind of died that whole time, so I didn't record it, and then I was too tired to record once we got to the room. So yeah, here we are. But I'll show you guys a clip of the suite that we had, so you guys see that. But yeah, let's go to Madrid. Let's go.
But I wasn't grown up in my 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 Oh, oh, always. Oh, oh.
Okay, so right now we are in the Madrid airport. We just landed. This is the first of 3 flights that we need to get back home to Houston. So we're gonna enjoy the day in Madrid, go to sleep, and then our flight and journey continues tomorrow. So let's go.